So, meron lang ako napansin dito sa Malaysia, even sa ibang state ng Malaysia, pag nagdasal sila, laging late ng 1 hour from the time na nagdadasal sila in 5 times a day. So, ayan, laging nalilate siya ng 1 hour. And, ayun. Ewan ko bakit laging nalilate ng 1 hour. Alanganin yung oras ng kanilang prayer time for 5 times in 1 day. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam bakit. Sa ibang bansa, nung time na bomba yung Makkah at saka yung part sa Jeddah talaga, Saudi Arabia, naalis din yung routine ng kanilang 5 times prayer and hindi na rin sila nakapunta sa kanilang mosque or sa kanilang masjid para mag-prayer. And also, the people not remember the Ramadan when they are bombing. Maybe some of those imam or prayer in the sheikh in the Saudi Arabia already harass and attack, and also baka kinidnap sila at ang pagkaalam ko pinasok yung mga mansion nila and they withdraw also their money in the bank. So that's a very question in Saudi Arabia right now. So ayun, sana there's a peace around all over the world, but it's not happening. Kahit saan meron ka makakalaban, yun nga lang kung ano ang shielding na gagamitin para ma-avoid yung mga weapons nila. So ayun, there's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always everyone. Mag-ingat kayong lahat.